Hi everyone, welcome back to Indemy student channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Booleans format in Python. Before I begin, if you haven't seen the introduction to Python yet,
go check it out now.
so yeah, let's jump into the video. In Python, we have got true and false values, and they are used in Python to make decision. For example, you create a question something like this: is the user age over 25? That could be comparison that we evaluate true or false. In Python, the keywords are true with a capital T and false with a capital F. I create a variable age is equal to 35 and the age is greater than or equal to 20. Here we have our first Boolean comparison. We've got the variables, then we have got an equal sign, which means that the variable is going to be named for this value here. And the value is age greater than equal to 20. This here is a Boolean comparison and it evaluates to true because 35 is greater than or equal to 20. So by doing this here is exactly what the same as doing true. You can have a age under age, which means age is less than 10. And here this would be false because age is 35. So 35 is not less than 10 and this would be false. Finally, you can also check whether A is 20. In order to do that, we can type age equal 20. Now, this can get a bit confusing because you now have 3 signs in one line. When you have a single equal sign, that is used for assignment. When it says, is this value here, we are going to give it this name, so we will calculate the value first, then put the name and give it to it. The sign of 2 equal sign is not used for assignment. Instead, it is used for comparison. What it means is exactly equal to. So what it's saying is the age variable exactly equal to 20? The answer is no. So this whole thing here actually evaluates to false. Example 2. Let's create a simple program that will ask the user for a number that and then we will tell them whether it matches our magic number, which is, let's say, 36, and then we will ask the user for a number and then we will say my number equal to user number. So as long as they enter 36, this will be true, and if they enter anything else, then it will false. It is false. To make things a little bit better, you can create a new variable which has the value of whether it matched or not, and then you can use f string to say you got it right. Matches, and then if we run this, we type 5, you say you got it right, false. So yeah, I think so that is for today's video. We'll be learning more about if statement from one type to another as we move through the course of introduction to Python. Thank you for your attention, and since it's quite hard for me to create this video, show me your support by pressing like button and fill the comment if you want to discuss topic regarding Python programming, and don't forget to subscribe because more videos are coming, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.